Hello students, hope you all are doing good. This is Priyanka from Sandpoint Institute Belagavi. So in this particular video, I will be giving you the updates of PGCET 2021 where most of the students are waiting for, as well as we will be discussing some of the information about WRD HKAE revised answer keys which we received yesterday. So firstly, I will be discussing about PGCET 2021 exam. So yesterday, that is on 31st August 2021, we received a DCET notification wherein in that notification they have mentioned exam date as 23rd October 2021. So ನೀವು ನಾನು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ why you are talking about DCET exam, because this DCET is also conducted by KEA only, where PGCET exam is conducted by KEA. So usually DCET and PGCET exam will be announced during the same time, just one week something plus or minus ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ usually, but both of them are announced together every year. So from this what we can understand that we can expect this PGCET notification very soon, that is within 2 to 3 days you can expect the PGCET 2021 notification. And one more thing what I would like to stress upon is DCET exam ಇರೋದು 23rd October 2021. ಸೊ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೊದಲಾದರೂ PGCET 2021 ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಟೆಂಟೇಟಿವ್ ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ದಾಗ ಆಗಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಿ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ವೈ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ daily you guys are messaging me over WhatsApp as well as in comment section in my YouTube videos asking me when will be the PGCET notification. So earlier also I had told, if you are that much serious about writing PGCET exam, then start preparing. So for the students who have joined our courses already, I have made a proper strategical framework for 2 months, that is this month September month as well as October month. So 2 full months ಒಳಗೆ at least 85 to 90% syllabus ಅವ್ರು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಗೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟನಿ. So if you guys are interested and if you guys want to make your preparation easy, then you can definitely join the courses of Sandpoint which we are offering for this PGCET exam, which includes PDF materials as well as test series and a proper guidance till you write your PGCET exam, as well as definitely I will be guiding you guys for the post PGCET also, that is which branches you have to take, which colleges you have to prefer, all the details I will be giving you. That mean I will be hand holding you till you get your admission in one of the best colleges for your MTech. And some information with respect to PWD, that is if the exam happens then they might give you only 1 or 2 months for the preparation. So the students who are waiting for this PWD exam, they can start preparing for this. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಅಥವಾ 2 months ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಟು ಕವರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ಕಾಷನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್. ಇವನ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕೋರ್ಟ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಬಂತು, ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಟು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್, that time again you will get scared of how to cover the syllabus in this short time. So that's why as a responsibility of a teacher, I am just giving you a caution. I am informing you prior so that you should not feel that I was not knowing about this. All right. So now the next point we will be discussing about the WRD revised answer keys. So wherein I will be showing the solutions as well as the questions for which the students are getting grace marks, as well as where they have changed the key answers also. So our technical question paper code is 427, and in my previous paper analysis I have taken series B. So in today's video also I will be considering series B of the paper, and then we will be making the analysis. So if you see here, altogether 17 questions avaru change madidru, like it includes grace as well as change in the options which you can see here. All right, so these are the questions on which the options as well as the grace have been given. So series B ಒಳಗೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ A, C, D ಒಳಗೆ again the question number will vary. So you see which question paper you have attempted, based on that you see and then make the calculation accordingly. Alright, so if you see, this is the GS paper. So for this series B, these 3 questions have been changed. Like for one question they have given grace, and ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋರು, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ 2 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರು, 1 or 3 ಅಂತ. So now we will see which questions of these are technical they have changed. Okay, so this is the document which I had used in my earlier video. That is, soon after the results there were discrepancies in lot of questions. So that is the reason we tried giving the sources, as well as lot of students helped me in finding the sources, and for this I had made one video like sources for the questions which you are supposed to challenge. So I am using that document and I am making the analysis now, if you see here. Okay, so this was the third question, but there is no any change in this third question. Now if we go to this sixth question, okay, so here the official answer earlier was 3, but the revised answer is 2. So you can see this is the source for that which we had given. Okay, so ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಿ ಆ ಟೈಮ್ದಾಗ. ಸೊ ನಾವು 18th ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರದ್ದೇನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 21st ಕ್ವಶನೂ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ 25th question, so official it was 2nd, okay, but as per us it was 3rd, and this was the source. So they had given the correct answer for this one. And 32, as per KPSC it was 2nd, but if you see the options, so you can see one more 0 was supposed to come, so that's why they had given grace marks for this. And 36th question, if you see here, so KPSC had given 2, but we as well as students suggested 2 or 3 will be the answer, so adana ಅವರು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರು. And now if you see 42nd question, there was no changes in this. And 52, if you see here, okay, so official answer was 4, but here some data is missing. If you can see like 9 pies if you take, then only you will get this correct answer, hence they gave the grace marks for this particular question. Now if you see 53rd, so KPSC had given second one, but when you do the calculation none of the options will match. That is the reason they gave the grace marks for this. So ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಆ ಟೈಮ್ದಾಗ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಸೊ 56th question, so KPSC answer was 3rd, but as per this, so whatever the proof we have and all, answer should be 2, so that's why they changed the option for this. Now 65th question we had given, but there was no changes. 69th question, yes, there was ambiguity. They had given as option 2, but correct answer is 133, so that is the reason they gave grace marks for this 69th question. And next question is 74th, there was no changes in this. And if you see the next question, that is 75, so KPSC answer was 1 and our answer was 3, so that's the reason they changed the option for this. And 82 question, if you see, KPSC answer was 3, but our answer was 2, so the KPSC changed the answer. So this, whatever the document I am showing you now, I had used this document in my earlier video, where the title of that video was sources for the questions which were supposed to challenge. I will be leaving the link of that video also in the description. You can see and you can compare. So ನಮ್ದು ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ at least around 90% ನಮಗೆ correct answer ಸಿಕ್ಕಾವು, like the grace and all. So now if you see this, the KPSC answer is 1, but our answer we got as 2, so KPSC changed the answer to 2. And in 84th question, so KPSC answer was 1, but the data was missing in the diagram, that is in horizontal diagram, horizontal load ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅವರು, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ವಾಸ್ 135 kN, ಅದನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದೇ ಗೇವ್ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Okay, so now if you see 85th question, so KPSC answer was 4 and our answer was 2, so KPSC revised it to option 2. So 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಲ್ಲೈತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು this calculation will show you that. So next question, if you see 88th question on highway, so KPSC answer was 1, but here when we take it as, okay, friction factor as 0.15, then only we will get the answer as 1 in 21.2. That's why you got grace answer for this particular question. So now if you see next question, that is 98th, so KPSC option was 4th, but as per us as well as the sources and all, the correct answer was 1, so that's why they changed the option to 1. Okay, so and one more question, this 14th one, that is with respect to paint. So earlier option was 3, but the revised option is 2. And one more question was lime stabilization of soil leads to. So initially the correct answer was 4, but later on they changed it to either 1 or 2. So these are all the sources for all the questions which you guys had challenged. So that day I worked continuously for more than 12 hours actually to get the solutions as well as the sources for all the questions, and lot of the solutions were provided by students itself. So I felt like our efforts and your efforts has got some fruits for the to get the revised answer key. So from this what you have to understand is no work will end in vain. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಏನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಜೆನ್ಯೂನ್ ಆಗಿ ಎವ್ರಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್. So hope you have understood whatever I have tried explaining in this particular video, and I am happy to share that a lot of students are joining the courses, as well as they are very happy with the strategy what I am framing for individual students. So I know you will feel that someone is there with you in this journey. You don't feel alone. I am there with you. So if you guys want to study for any of the competitive exams with respect to civil engineering, then you can definitely try thinking of joining Sandpoint, wherein we have given you the video lectures of very specifically which are there with respect to the individual exams, wherein you need not spend your time on hunting for other resources as well as other books or something. And whatever the pricing we are charging, that is very minimal, which I have received the feedbacks from lot of the students who have joined the courses. So once you join the course, definitely you will feel that it is worth spending this much amount for your future. So saying this, all the very best. So start your journey with Sandpoint by clicking the link in the description.